Baja 1000 is a 1,000-mile relay race down the Baja Peninsula where the baton is the race vehicle. It's one of the most remote areas in the world.
You don't know what's coming on the other side of a rock. You're out in the middle of nowhere where no one can get to you if you do crash. You can't screw up. You can't make mistakes. Closest thing to the Wild West there is.
Matlock Racing is comprised of Wayne, Josh, and myself. We've been together for 2 years, and we've won back-to-back Baja 1000s. This year, we're going for the third. I think some of the biggest keys to winning down in Baja is preparation.
We started ordering parts and getting the bike ready 4 months beforehand.
Trucks are closing in on us, guys! And two, I'm coming in, he's right on my ass! We gotta go!
Tire, which tire? Fuel! That's tire.
Our team itself has their own chase crews that run spare tires and spare parts.
It's just like a NASCAR pit stop.
People think that our chase vehicles and pit crews are paid professionals, but that couldn't be further from the truth.
It's a combination of all of our girlfriends and wives and parents. My wife, Kristen, drives chase truck. She'll load a chase truck. She changes tires, gases, anything I need. She is the biggest part of my race team. In that truck with her is my mother-in-law and father-in-law. In the other truck, I have my father, Cliff, my mother, Marla.
I was taught those who play together stay together.
Me and Wayne's mother met in Mexico. She was riding a three-wheeler in her bikini up and down the beach. And I told my buddy, I gotta have some of that.
Cliff and I are not the normal 60-year-old parent.
I can't stand sitting at home knowing Wayne is racing. If something happens, I want to be there.
The fact that my parents are in their 60s and go down to Baja with me is pretty amazing. I don't think I'd do it if I didn't have family doing it with me.
I'm more nervous in the chase vehicles than I am on the race bike.
Chasing's definitely dangerous. I love
The
it.
chase guys are going 80 to 100 miles an hour, all on these remote Mexican roads.
1,200 to 1,500 chase vehicles on that highway stretch.
There's locals all over the highway. You're stuck in traffic jams. Not making it to a pit could ruin the race.
It's a great feeling always knowing that your chase team has your back. The Baja 1000 truly is mayhem.
400 vehicles going down a dirt road.
Everybody's out there at the same time. It's a free-for-all. Never let your guard down in Baja. Locals digging booby traps. When you see a group of spectators standing around, slow down because they're there for a reason.
When you crash in Baja, everything can end in 1 second.
You can't see around corners. You don't know what's going by you.
Wait a minute, this is Chase 1A. We just heard a quad down with 2 broken legs.
It's a dangerous sport. People die every year.
We just had a baby. When Wayne gets on the bike, we just think about things a little bit differently now.
Anything can happen.
I think Wayne has a huge target on him. He is the guy to beat.
Seems like the more you win, the more people say, oh, you just won because you're lucky. But if you're not prepared, you're not going to get lucky.
We've got some new teams coming down at the 1,000 this year gunning for us.
And you have to have heart to win Baja. If you don't have heart, it's not going to happen. If we don't win, it's because we made a mistake.
I don't even worry, because we're gonna win. Because that's just what they do.